With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, the question says that the following histogram shows the monthly wages in rupees of worker in a factory. Figure, find the largest and least number of workers and also their wages in rupees. Okay, so we will find the largest and least number of the worker. So this is the histogram you can see here, my dear students. So first of all, we are talking about this is in a x axis and this is a y axis. So on x-axis monthly wages in rupees, it is already given of worker and the number of worker here on a vertical axis. Okay, on that means on y-axis. So this is starting from 0 and 1 2 3 4 5 and 10 up to 10, that is the number of worker. Okay, and here up to 1100, this is the monthly wages of a worker. Okay, so first of all, my dear students, we will find the largest number of worker. So we will check this rectangle. Okay, this is a histogram which is shape of rectangle. So we will check where the size of a rectangle, or we can say the height of the rectangle, will be greater. So that means height of the rectangle will be highest. Okay, so here you can see that this is the highest rectangle, so that means it shows the highest number of workers. So here the highest number of workers, that is 8. We will check corresponding workers, which is 8. So we can say that for a first part, largest number of workers are 8. Okay, there are total 8 workers, and the wages we also will calculate, and you can see that, and their wages is, and you can see that the interval is started from 950 to 1000. So that means wages started from 950 to 1000. Okay, so this is the wages for an interval 950 to 1000. Okay, so that means this is the monthly wage of 8 worker. Now we will solve the B part. So here we will find the least number of workers. So that means the least number of worker means the lowest rectangle. Okay, so here you can see that the lowest rectangle, this, and the corresponding value of this, that is 2. That means number of worker will be 2. Okay, and the wages lie from 900 to 950. So least number of workers are 2 and their wages is rupees 900 to 950. Okay, so this is the final answer for this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.